Hello everyone, this is Pujitha. Now I'm going to explain about parallel processing using multithreading. First question is, this should be done using implementing runnable interface. Question is, create a Java program to read a paragraph of text data and create two threads namely word, vowel, and do the following operations with the 2 seconds delay. First one is word thread display each word one by one. Oval thread prints each oval one by one. This is about the question. Now I'm going to explain about the program. This is the program. Purpose of the program is this program accepts a paragraph from the user, creates two threads. One thread prints each word with 2 second delay. Other prints each oval with also 2 second delay. Use join so that the word thread finishes first, the oval thread starts. Understanding each part. Now, word thread class implements runnable, meaning this can run inside a thread. Constructor stores the user's paragraph in text. Inside run, the main logic for the thread. It splits text by spacing split slash slash s plus, giving all words. Prints each word one per line. After printing each word, it passes for 2 seconds, that is 2000 milliseconds using thread.sleep 2000. This makes the output clear word by word like a slow reveal. Next we have oval thread implements runnable class. Also implements runnable, converts the paragraph into an array of characters, checks each character fits oval in one. AEIO, it prints wait for 2 seconds between each oval output. Ovals appear one after another with the passes. Next we have our main class, that is a runnable example. Displays your register number, takes a full line of the text input from the user. Then we create and starts like threaded t1 equals to new thread text. Runs the word printing method, and the threaded t2 new thread and new oval thread. This runs the oval printing method. Here we have this part. T1 dot starts the word printing thread. T1 dot join tells the main program. Wait until T1 finishes completely before continuing. After T1 finishes, it starts T2. T2 dot join again waits until the oval printing finishes. So the thread run one after one, not at a time. Now I'm gonna run this. This will be again. It'll be like Java is fun. Words here are Java is fun. Vowels are A, I, U, A, I, U. This is about this execution. Here, about the concept. Runnable here interface for defining a threads stack. Threaded equals to new thread object creates a thread to run runnable interface runnable object. T.start say a new thread calls it it's a run method. T.join waits at it until the thread finishes before moving on. Thread.sleep 2000 passes execution for 2 seconds. Split is a splits text by spaces. This is about this program. Thank you. The next question is, create a Java program to read a number as an input. Create two threads, namely table, divisor, and do the following operations with 2 seconds delay. First is table. Thread display the line of multiplication table from 1 to 0. Divisor thread prints all the factors of the number. This is our operation. Um, this is the program. Now I'm going to explain this. Programming aim is to create two threads. Table thread prints the multiplication table of a given number. And the second is division thread prints all the divisor of that number. Both the thread execute one after another, not at the same time, using the join method. Here we have two thread classes: table thread, which extends from the thread; division thread, which extends from the thread. One main class is number threads with the main method. Detailed explanation. First, we have thread class, table thread class, which extends from thread. And the thread takes an integer n passed from the main. The run method prints the multiplication of table n. After each line, the program passes for 2 seconds, thread.display 2000. This display makes an output appear slowly and clearly. Next, we have division thread class, which extends from thread. Then the thread prints all the divisors, that is factors of number n. For example, if n equals to 6, the divisor is 1, 2, 3, 6. Each divisor also appears after 2 seconds pass. Here we used a for loop for this and try catch also. And the other is main class, that is number thread. The program displays a number and registration number. It can ask the user for the number input, like here creating threads. Table thread T1 equals to new table thread n. Divisor thread T2 equals to new divisor thread n. Two separate thread objects are created. Both are ready to run but hasn't started yet. Starting and synchronization of threads. Here T1 that started, try T1, join, catch, interrupted, execution, and the below one says T1 that starts the first thread, table thread. T1 dot join tells the main thread to wait until T1 finishes and completely before continuing. After that, T2 starts the second thread divisor thread. T2 register ensures the main program waits again until T2 finishes. This means a thread runs one after another and not simultaneously. No output demonstration. Okay, number I'll be like 4. Here comes the table. Divisors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. This is about this program. Thank you. Our next question is: create a Java program to read 10 numbers and store in an array. Create 3 threads named even out and do the following operations with the 2 seconds delay. First is even thread, display all the even numbers in an array. And the second is odd thread that displays all the odd numbers in an array. And the program overview is: this code uses 2 threads. Even thread prints all the even numbers from a given array. Odd thread prints all the odd numbers from the same array. Now we'll break our code. This is the code. First we have even thread class. It takes an integer, prints the numbers that are even, sleeps 2 seconds between each number to show a smooth output. And the other is we have order thread extends thread. Order thread class works like even thread but prints the odd numbers. And the second is main thread. It takes 10 numbers as input, creates 2 threads object E and O, starts the even number using E dot start, starts even number using uses E dot join to make sure the odd thread starts only after the even thread completes, then starts the odd thread and waits for it to join, O dot join. Here join is used. Without join, both threads would run concurrently, makes an output even or output number even or odd numbers. The join is aimed for ordered execution like even numbers first and then odd numbers. This is about the program. I will run it. 10 numbers are like even numbers here are 6, 8, 8. So we enter a value twice. When the even numbers are odd numbers, it classifies them as twice. This is about the program. Thank you.